Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning everything! Good morning guys! So ngayon guys, ang gagawin ko po is maglilinis sa buong bahay. Anyway, so yun siya. And aalis si Tami ngayon. Pupunta siyang DMV kasi kailangan niyang i-transfer yung pangalan ng sasakyan ng ina niya sa kanya para magamit daw niya kahit anong gagawin niya sa sasakyan. So ngayon, hindi po ako sasama. Ang gagawin ko is yun, dito lang sa bahay, maglilinis and then mag-edit and then
you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table. I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, baby. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, baby. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm missing. My feelings in my heart.
Hi guys, umalis na si Mister and then sumakit yung tiyan ko. So naghihintay lang ako kung kailan ako dalhin sa kasagbutan. Dahil sa kasagbutan. Alam nyo ba guys, na every time, ito yung si ako, every time na magpunta ako sa toilet, TMI po ito guys ha, TMI po ito. Every time na hindi po ito nasty. Every time na magpunta ako sa toilet, hindi ako maka-poops, okay? Parang mahirapan ako. Okay, yun yung totoo. Every time nahirapan ako. Alam nyo kung anong technique ko? I think nasabi ko na to noon. Alam nyo ba kung anong technique ko para maka-poops ako? Alam nyo ba? Ang iniisip ko is yung time na wala kaming bathroom. And then, tatakbo kami sa kalubihan, kasagbutan, sa damuhan, you know, sa niyugan, sa sa kapihan, yung mga kape, yung mga coffee tree, yon doon sa bukire namin kasi maraming, alam nyo naman yun, province. At hindi lang yun province, bukid talaga. Yun yung iniisip ko. Meron kaming avocado na kahoy. And then kami, mga bata pa kami, tutungtong, we have to climb the tree. Oops! Para lang ganun. Yun yung iniisip ko guys, yung mga time na, yung panahon ko noon na ganyan. I know it's too much information. Kung gusto kong yun yung iniisip ko. I-close ko lang yung ko, and then iniisip ko, naglakad ako patungo doon sa lugar na yun. And then, doon ako iniisip ko, baka may ahas. And then yun, yan, honest to goodness guys, yun yung iniisip ko. And then, thinking naman, nakatulong naman talaga siya sa akin. Okay, nakatulong naman talaga siya sa akin yung mga pag-iisip nung kapanahunan ko na wala kaming bathroom, kahit saan-saan lang yung bathroom namin. And then magdala kami ng mga newspaper, mga magazine, yung nanay ko, mama ng mama ko, marami sila, maganon lang kami ng magazine. Kapag sa amin kami galing sa bahay is yung pakal. Pakal guys, alam niyo yung pakal? Yung ng mais. Kapag wala ng mais, yung puti, yun siya. Kuha lahat.
Tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them, but he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sort of hurt, it makes you see clear. You were just lost, you were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, he wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. He said he thought it would be nice if we went for a ride in his dad's Jaguar. Swept off in the moment, sitting in his car. But you know he won't take you far. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sort of hurt, it makes you see clear. You were just lost, you were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you...
Hi guys! So ngayon guys, punta tayo sa baba. Galing ako dito sa taas. Nag-ano lang ako ng mga papel, mga document na nandun sa sahig sa office ko kasi inano ko yung individual andun nilagay ko sa cabinet. Hindi pa ako tapos and hello baby! I know every time Dada's not around, we're very lonely. Lonely. Hindi, kakaiba talaga pag wala si Tommy guys, oy. Yung sadness ng buhay namin. Kapag wala si Tommy, kakaiba. Katatawag lang niya and then, yun, nawala siya guys, oy. Nawala siya sa ruta. Galing sila sa DMV. Post na sila, rehistro sa pangalan, ganun. Pumunta sila sa New Rochelle para bilhan na naman daw niya ng gulong. Sabi ko, yung sasakyan ko, gusto ko ng bagong gulong. Sabi ko, bibili ako ng gulong. Sabi pa niya, okay pa naman yan. Ganun. So sabi ko, pag inolok, yung old car, kailangan mo nang bilhin na. Bilhan mo agad. Kapag gusto kong bumili, pira ko naman yan. Sabi ko, ayaw mo kasi okay pa. Well, actually, I think alam niya yung mga pinagagawa niya. Sabi niya, dahil daw yan sa mileage, yung kapag ka ng sasakyan, bago ka mag-change ng gulong, dapat yung mileage, malaki na yung mileage na nagamit mo. And then, if kahit maliit yung mileage na nagamit mo, and then palagi mo siyang nabubunggo saan yung gulong, pwede nang i-change. Pero yung sa akin daw, okay pa. Pero sabi ko, gusto ko ng bago. Sabi pa niya, kailangan mo talagang gumasto. Sabi ko naman ngayon, kailangan talagang gumasto dahil hindi naman kailangan. May sasakyan siya, di ba? And then, gusto talaga yung sasakyan na yan. Sasakyan ng ina niya. Kasi maliit yung mileage, guys. Nagamit yan. Isang bisis lang kasi. 2001 yung sasakyan na yun. Isang bisis lang nagamit. So, sana magagamit yung sasakyan. At hopefully, kung ako yung magamit sa sasakyan na yan, and then si Tammy yung sa akin, bilhan ko yun ng pink. Pink na cover. Kasi old siya, guys. Ang sa interior niya, of course, obviously old. And then, walang mga function-function yung GPS, ganon. Automatic siya. Pero wala siya yung mga latest ngayon na may screen na, may GPS na, may... Yun, yung kakaiba ito. It's already 6:25 ng gabi. Wala pa rin si Tammy. Iwan ko na lang. Wala pa. Sabi pa siya, tatawag daw siya. 1 hour na, tatawag daw siya pag Iwan ko, nagre-ready na daw siya paalis, pero hindi pa tumatawag hanggang ngayon. Ay, nakakaloka. Sabi pa niya, tapos na daw sila doon. Umalis na yung brother-in-law niya. So ngayon, wala pa rin siya, guys.
2,000 years later.
Tumatawag si Tammy, and then ngayon, papunta na siya, malapit na siya dito. So ngayon, nilagay ko yung mga aso doon sa bedroom. So, papasok si Tammy. So, alam nilang papunta na yung dada nila. And then, pataguin natin si Tammy kung saan siya magtatago. And then, after that, kung saan siya magtatago, hahanapin siya ng mga aso. So, ngayon, saan siya magtago? Dito na. Yun, malilito yung mga aso. Dito na si dada. Saan yun na? Si Roxy. Si Hubs. Narinig ni Hubs. Alam niya. And then, ang hinahanap niya is yung mga aso kasi alam talaga niyang magwala. Alam niyo na. Alam talaga niya. Papunta yung ama niya. Alam. Pati yung pusa. Nakikita ko siya. Natutulog yan, guys. And then, na-open. Narinig niya yung gate. And then, gumaganon siya. Bakit hindi nagwawala yung mga aso? Andun kasi yung aso sa bedroom. Oh! Dada's here! Dada's here. Hold on. Pati siya. Dada's here? Hi, Dada!
Oh, now that was practice.
Yeah, I know, but they know they're here, and then they know I'm gonna let them out looking for you. You go.
Where are those puppies? Where are those puppies?
Okay, quiet, ha? Quiet. Quiet. I'm gonna let them out now. Hala, Dada's here. Go, go, go. Find him. Where is he? Go find him. Go find him. Where is he? Go find. Oh my God, where is Dada? Where is he? Hello, where is he? Where is he? Oh my God. Hello, where is Dada? Where is Dada? Hello, where is he? Oh my God. Oh, first come, first serve. I give Bonsi if whoever gets Dada first. Where's Dada? Where is Dada? Where is he? You guys, your senses is not good. Go find him. Go. Look. Where's Dada? Right here. Right here, Roxy. Right. Where's Dada? What? Hello? Where is he? Go find him. Go find. Hello? He know he can smell you, but it's not good, honey. His senses is not good. Look, where is Dada? Find him. Go find Dada. Go find him, Dada. Where are you? Look at his face. Make a noise, son.
Where are those puppies?
It's twice. He does it. Honey, I notice, honey, their senses and their nose, they smell. They're not that good. They're not good to find the killer.
You walk it twice. You almost look at me and don't see me.
Yeah, I know, because it's dark here. Oh, oh, Dodo. Dodo.
Nice, puppy. How come you could not find me? How come you could not find me? What if I was lost in the woods? I died before you.
Yeah, oh my goodness, you guys are not good. Okay, Dada have to pee-pee.
Yes, she does.